Today I'm here in Scotland, in Falkirk, visiting the Falkirk Wheel. The world's only rotating boat lift links the Forth and Clyde Canal to the Union Canal. It's an amazing piece of engineering, and one half turn of the wheel only uses the same amount of power as 8 kettles. So good morning everyone, we're just making our way to the Falkirk Wheel Centre. So leave it in the comments if you've ever seen or been to the Falkirk Wheel. So we come across this lovely little footbridge that links to the Falkirk Wheel. So the Falkirk Wheel is open from Monday to Sunday 9:45 to 5:30. We've parked in the North car park. So as we enter the Falkirk Wheel courtyard, this is the queue to get onto the Falkirk Wheel. What an amazing thing that is. What an amazing piece of engineering that really is. And, here's a picture of all the things we can do, because Catherine's kindly pointing out to us all the routes.
So that canal down there is the Forth and Clyde.
So yeah, the canal we just walked across was the Forth and Clyde Canal, and the Union Canal, as you can see, is just on top there. And this is the canal, and the little bridge that we just walked across is down here. There we go, the wee Yeti Club. The wee Yeti. So the boat's just been given the green light. He's just untying the boat from it being moored up, and he should enter that little dark grey arch with "Welcome to Falkirk Wheel" on it. Here she goes into the lift. £17 a ticket for an adult each, and I think it's like £15 for a child. So that's all enjoy the wheel in motion. The wheel that links the Forth and Clyde Canal to the Union Canal. There we go, that's the Falkirk wheel. Rotation complete. Let's have a little look down and see what else is here as well. So they've also got mini golf here for the kids. A little something for them to do. And they've even made it a little bit spooky for Halloween. And they've even got their own little version over there of the wheel. Oh, beautiful. It's so weird. It looks like something you'd probably see in, I don't know, Teletubbies or something. I don't know. It's just really weird. It's a really weird thing to see just poking out of the bush, if you want. Also got this adventure playground as well here for the kids. And just round here, they do have a bit of archery as well. Just at the top there, we've got a little bit of archery. So I hope everybody enjoyed this little video today of the Falkirk wheel here in Scotland, and let us know what you thought about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and join me in my next escape as we head further north to the Highlands of Scotland.